Look at Sam. Well, guys. Morning, guys. On our way out. Church, of course. And it is, look at the snow. Everywhere. Snow everywhere. And people are out snow blowing. And we're on our way to church. And I'm going a little bit early. Because... Here. Get this. Say hi. Say hi. And he's dropping my cookies. And my battery's dying, so because I'm not bending over right there. Because my battery's dying, so as usual. I don't have time to grab the other one though. So.
And this LG to my brother. Did you bring your phone?
Phones for the kids.
Don't I always?
No. Mom.
We're gonna listen to music. We're not listening to WGCI on the way to the church, so you can kill it. All right, see you guys. Hey, didn't change the battery yet, but I am out of church. Aaron went to get his hair cut, and I accidentally left my camera in the car, so I just went back out to get it. But guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. This snow. It is getting ready to get way worse. It's supposed to be. Sorry, my camera died, but. Mike, thank you for these. They're so good. I have not had a homemade Rice Krispie treat in so long. And one of my friends from church posted on his Facebook a tray of them. And I saw it and I texted him, bring me some to church tomorrow. And he did. 4 big ones. I didn't eat the other one. I gave the other one to my brother. But I'm going to eat. Well, I'll probably let my son have one. My daughter's not here. Those are not going to last until tomorrow. I can tell you that. Also, I got my popcorn back. Jalapeno cheddar. So, I'm just going to have myself a junk eating smorgasbord right now. Because that's just what I want to do. This is so good, though. Anyway, guys, this snowstorm is coming. That little snow that I showed you was just from yesterday. It's getting ready to hit us hard. I'm hoping that it'll wait until after Aaron's basketball game because I got to go out and drive in that mess. And I'm just really glad that I don't have to work tonight because I don't want to be driving in a snowstorm. Man. So good. Sometimes you just have to close your eyes to appreciate the goodness of certain things that you eat. I hope that popcorn is tasty as well. I just bought some other popcorn for my nephew for his fundraiser. So I'm gonna have popcorn leaking out of my ears by the end of all these fundraisers I've been buying stuff from. But it won't be wasted. It won't be wasted. It's time. But my Zazie baby is in there chirping, so choke myself. Let me go see if Zazie baby needs some bird seeds because and it's sealed. I'll be back for you. Let's go check on my little Zazie man. My Zazie baby. Aw, look at him. It's all covered up still. My husband probably covered him up because he was chirping too much. Zazie baby, what's the matter, honey? What's the matter, little bird? He needs his cage cleaned bed. What's the matter, little birdie? Yeah, hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful bird. Hello, beautiful bird. What do you want?
What do you want? You want some food? Is that why you're making so much noise? You ate all your bird seeds? You did. You did. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, my beautiful bird. You're so cute. Mom might give you more food. Look, I'm looking too. I didn't put anything in there yet. It's coming. Yeah, my baby's hungry. My baby's hungry. That's why he's making all this noise. Can you do something for the bird? He won't shut up. Yeah, of course he won't shut up. He's hungry. You're starving. You wouldn't shut up either. I know, honey. I know. Mama knows. Mommy knows, birdie. Watch how quick he runs down here to get these bird seeds. Look. See if I can. Oh, look at him. I didn't even open the gate to put him in yet. Look at him. Hold on. Amy. Look at him. There it goes. There he goes. There's the food. Yep, that was the problem. He just wanted to eat. He didn't get bird seeds today, so now he's got them. Now it's my turn. My popcorn. So, sorry if I'm boring you guys. I just don't. You know, when I turn the camera on, I don't know what I'm going to talk about sometimes. Like, I have things swirling around in my brain, but then as soon as I look at the camera, they just kind of leave. But sometimes they stay. But most of the time, they kind of leave, and then they don't stay in the depth that I had when I was really feeling it, you know? But, yeah. I'm about to eat this popcorn. Move your feet. Nice grab. Let's go.
Right in the middle.
Gotta pick somebody. Kick it back out. Kick it out. I didn't even know you were here. Let's go. Good. Good job. Good try, Aaron. Let's put the hands up.
Hey, it's alright. Hold it. Good. Set it up. Wait. Set it up. Ricky on top. Go.
Woo! All right, Tristan. Good shot. Do it again. Get it back. Get it back.
Right there. Don't move, Rick. You stay there. Just a man. Man on him. Man on him. Go. Sure.
Get it, Aaron. Get it.
Let up. Move. Quick. Move.
That's it. Good job. Way to go strong, Ryan. Good job. That's what you're supposed to do. Go to the basket. Knock these down. Like every time. That's why I'm trying to sit here. I know, because you always lose, when they good, even though they're wrong. Because most of the time they are wrong. Aaron, get ready to get in there. Get ready to get in there. Good job. Take it back. Stay in front. People This is like the White Sox playing against the Cubs right here. That's the whole sound. Yes, it is. Nice shot! That's all right, that's all right. Get it, Ryan, get it, Ryan. The most disgusting thing. Good job. Get the N one. That's all right, Aaron. Do it again. Just go straight up. Just go straight up. You would have got an N1. Do it again. Alright, Tristan, you got this. Somebody set up there. Why you go? Oh! Put it out, put it out, put it out! Ryan, keep going in there like that. Oh, I said, boy, Ryan got it. He aggressive. He played football or something, I heard. Yeah. That's what he did. He played football or something. You know, can't be mad. Like, see, Mom, other people's kids can play football. Right back up. Come on, guys. See what they got to learn is that they good, Aaron. See, Aaron a little pickpocket. They go up hard. Travel. That was travel. They just keep going in. They're going to go fast. He's going to line. That's what I'm saying. You got to try. If you don't make the shot, you draw the foul. You get another opportunity to score. That's what they got to do. Just get in there. Let's go. Somebody get up. So you gotta put your body on it. Back. Go on, good, Aaron. Go to the basket, Aaron. Take it, baby. Go to the basket. Shoot it. You should have shot it. Over back. Don't be scared to take that shot. They gonna foul you every time. It was. You got it. You just said you got it. Yeah. Good job, Tristan. Let's go. Nice pass! Come on, Ricky. Come on, baby. Gotta take it. That's what's killing us. We gotta make these shots. Don't leave him open anymore. Do not leave 55 open. But that was what happened with that little guy. That last game. Nice shot. Man.
I'm trying to get your cubbies. I'm like, yo, say something.
Oh, she said it.
Why are you so quiet?
Come on. Yep. There we go. All this snow is getting worse and worse and worse. Aaron's game just ended, so we're gonna go in Portillo's, grab a quick bite to eat, then we're gonna go home and watch some movies. Aaron did a good job. I did catch some of the stuff that he did on video. I didn't video the whole game, so whatever. You guys at this point probably should have seen it already because it's just clipped. So, but they did really good. They did much better. Much better. Can you pick that up for me? They did much better than they did at the last game. So now we just got to start scoring when we're in the hole. That was in my face. Now it's in your face. Here's my beef sandwich. There's no more burger left because this boy has devoured it already. And he has a chocolate cake shake. I got root beer and a nice slice of chocolate cake. So, get ready to get in this. Oh wait. I got this cheese. See you guys. See you tomorrow or next week or whenever I see you again.
Whenever. Apologize.
Bye.
When my team wins, you'll see.
No. We'll see you
If
soon.
that ever happens.
Bye.